We can just go straight down this.
Can we really?
We'll see. You know, even before I got my hands on this bad boy, I've always been a Jeep guy. And when I say Jeep, I mean Wrangler. So when I was moving down here almost 2 years ago from Colorado to Phoenix, I ended up breaking down on the side of the road in a small town called Trinidad, Colorado, where I ended up having to sell my Jeep on the side of the road to a seven-fingered man named Jim. True story. He was incredibly nice, gave me a great deal, but nonetheless, I've been without a Jeep Wrangler for going on 2 years now, and that is unacceptable. A little over a week ago, I got my hands on the Larry H. Miller Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Surprise Camel Wrangler. It hasn't even been a week, and I am itching to take this out into the desert, do some off-roading. I've got some great recommendations from the Camel Nation. I think I'm gonna bring my daughter along too. It should be fun. Not really sure where we are. Where are we?
We're at Four Peaks.
Four Peaks, one of the trails. We found it online. Some people were recommending it. We got out. We've been driving. How long have we been driving? Any idea?
About an hour, 45 minutes.
Into the mountains, into the great unknown, thanks to the Larry H. Miller Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Surprise Camel Wrangler. So much fun handling this like a champ. The views are absolutely spectacular. Taking a break from off-roading, having a nice, nutritious lunch-able.
Processed cheese.
It's super windy, super cold. We're just trying to figure out what the hell is this thing. It's like restricted. It talks about radiation and radio signals and FCC, and I have no idea what any of that means, even though I work on the radio. But this is like some Area 51. Shouldn't be on these trails. I mean, these trails are made for like those smaller little four-wheel, four-seaters, but this thing is getting us everywhere. Honestly, I don't know how we made it up here, and even more honestly, I don't know how we're gonna get out of here, but so much fun. Processed cheese.